Hello everyone, welcome back on Spices and More. Hope you all are doing good, staying safe and staying happy. In today's video, I'm sharing with you Sarvana Bhavan style vegetable korma. Very easy to prepare and it goes well with rice, idli, dosa, appam. Let's start with the recipe. For that I've taken 1.5 cup of grated coconut in a mixer grinder and I'll be adding half teaspoon of cumin seeds, that is jeera, and 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, that is badishep. Next I'll be adding in 3 green chilies. You can increase the spiciness. In goes 8 to 10 soaked cashew nuts. Next I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of yogurt. This is very thick yogurt. Next goes in half teaspoon of turmeric powder. And I'll be adding little water to make it a fine paste. And our mixture is ready. As you can see, it's very fine. Now let's start with next process. For that, I've heated a pan with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and I added 2 cardamom pods, few curry leaves, 1 bay leaf and 1 onion which I've chopped finely. Saute it for a while. In goes 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Again saute it till the onion turns translucent and slight brown in color. The onion is cooked properly. Next I'll be adding in chopped vegetables. In that I've taken carrots, French beans, potatoes, cauliflower and I have diced it. You can take any vegetable of your choice. Again give it a mix and you need to cook this vegetable until they turn soft. But please take care the vegetables don't turn mushy. They should maintain its texture. I'll be adding little water so that the vegetables cook properly. Give it a mix. Again a reminder, please maintain the texture of the vegetable. They shouldn't be very mushy. Now I'll close the lid and let it cook in its own steam. After the vegetables are cooked properly, I'll be adding in the ground coconut paste that we prepared earlier. Adjust the consistency of this gravy as per your preferences. Again give it a mix. As you can see, the vegetables are cooked yet they have maintained its texture. They are not too soft. And after about 1 boil, I'll be adding in chopped tomato. This is 1 tomato chopped finely. Again give it a mix. Be very gentle. If you find this korma is very thick, you can add little more hot water. And I'll be adding salt as per taste. Mix it properly. And after boiling it for about 2 to 3 minutes, I'll be adding in 1 tablespoon of garam masala. This is homemade garam masala. You can use any garam masala of your choice. Give it a mix. As you can see, I have used very minimal masalas, yet the recipe is very tasty and super delicious. And after about 2 to 3 minutes, our vegetable korma is ready to be served. Isn't it very easy recipe? It is very healthy and super delicious. Please give it a try. I hope you like today's recipe. If yes, then please hit that like button. Share this recipe with your loved ones and please don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next interesting videos and thank you for watching.